Have you ever wondered why, out of everyone in the room, your dog always seems to choose you? That special gaze, the way they follow you around the house, how they seem to know exactly when you're sad. It's almost like they can read your mind, isn't it? Well, what if I told you that the bond between you and your dog goes far deeper than just who fills the food bowl? What if there's actual scientific evidence showing that dogs can quite literally choose their humans based on complex biological, psychological, and evolutionary factors? Hey there, welcome to the Virtual Travel by Juan channel. Today we're diving into something that every dog owner has felt but maybe never fully understood: the incredible science behind why your dog chooses you. And stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the surprising neurochemical that dogs and humans share that creates a bond so powerful it can actually be measured in brain scans. Trust me, understanding this changes everything about how you'll see your relationship with your furry best friend. So what exactly is happening in your dog's brain when they pick you as their person? Let's find out. Our story begins over 30,000 years ago when wolves and humans first began their remarkable partnership. This wasn't just any alliance. It was the beginning of the oldest and most successful interspecies relationship in history. In the wild, wolves form incredibly tight social bonds. They live in family groups with complex social hierarchies. When wolves began to domesticate and eventually evolve into dogs, they brought this pack mentality with them. Except now, you are part of their pack. Dr. Clive Wynne, a canine behaviorist from Arizona State University, puts it perfectly. Dogs have an abnormal and unbounded capacity to form affectionate relationships with members of other species. This isn't normal in the animal kingdom. Most animals stick with their own kind, but dogs, they've evolved specifically to connect with us. But here's where it gets fascinating. When your dog chooses you, they're not just picking a pack leader. They're forming what scientists call a secure base attachment. This is the exact same psychological phenomenon that occurs between human infants and their parents. In a groundbreaking study at the University of Veterinary Medicine in Vienna, researchers found that dogs behave around their owners similarly to how toddlers behave around their parents, using them as a secure base from which to explore the world. This means your dog isn't just being clingy when they follow you everywhere. They're demonstrating an evolutionary adaptation that helped them survive alongside humans for millennia. They've literally evolved to choose us. While we humans rely heavily on vision, your dog's world is dominated by scent. Their sense of smell is up to 100,000 times more powerful than ours. And this superpower plays a crucial role in why they choose you. In a fascinating study led by neuroscientist Gregory Burns at Emory University, dogs were trained to lie still in MRI machines while being exposed to various scents. When presented with their owner's familiar smell, the reward center in their brain lit up like a Christmas tree, the same region that activates when we smell something delicious or experience something pleasurable. But it gets even more incredible. Your unique scent signature isn't just identifying you to your dog. It's actually triggering the release of oxytocin in their brain. That's right, the same love hormone that bonds mothers to babies is flooding your dog's brain when they smell you. And this isn't just any ordinary recognition. Studies have shown that dogs can detect changes in your body chemistry. They know when you're stressed, sick, or even when women are pregnant, all through microscopic scent changes that we can't detect. So when your dog seems to choose you over everyone else in the room, part of that choice is quite literally chemistry. Have you ever noticed how your dog looks at you? That soulful gaze that makes your heart melt? It turns out, this isn't just cute. It's a powerful biological mechanism that strengthens your bond. Japanese researcher Takafumi Kikusui discovered something remarkable about this mutual gaze. When dogs and their owners look into each other's eyes, both experience a surge of oxytocin, the same hormone we just discussed. This creates what scientists call a positive feedback loop. You look at your dog, both of your oxytocin levels rise, which makes you want to continue the interaction, which raises oxytocin even more. It's a biological bonding mechanism that literally creates feelings of love and attachment. Here's the kicker. This doesn't happen with wolves, even hand-raised ones. Wolves actively avoid eye contact with humans. This means dogs have evolved this specific trait to bond with us. Think about that for a moment. Your dog has evolved a biological mechanism specifically designed to form an emotional bond with a completely different species, you. When they choose to gaze into your eyes, they're not just looking at you, they're actively strengthening your relationship through a complex neurochemical process. Beyond biology and evolution, there's another fascinating layer to why your dog chooses you: personality compatibility. A study from Michigan State University found that dogs often mirror their owners' personalities. Active, outgoing people tend to have similarly energetic dogs, while more reserved individuals often bond with calmer canines. This matching happens partly through initial selection. We tend to choose dogs that match our lifestyle, but also through something called emotional contagion. Dogs are incredibly sensitive to human emotions and can actually catch our feelings, similar to how you might feel sad when a friend is upset. Dr. Samuel Gosling at the University of Texas found that dogs can read human facial expressions and body language so well that they often respond to emotions before we've even fully processed them ourselves. So when your dog chooses you, they're responding to a complex mix of compatibility factors: your energy level, your emotional state, even your communication style. Think about it. Some dogs respond better to verbal commands, others to hand signals. This often matches their owner's natural communication preference. It's not just that dogs choose humans. They choose specific humans who match their needs and temperament in remarkable ways. Now for the revelation I promised at the beginning, the neurochemical secret behind the powerful bond you share with your dog. When you interact with your dog, petting them, playing with them, even just sitting together, both of you experience a surge of 4 key neurochemicals: oxytocin, which we've already discussed, dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. This cocktail of chemicals creates what neuroscientists call the brain reward cascade, the same system activated by some of life's most pleasurable experiences. It reduces stress hormones like cortisol, while increasing feelings of happiness and connection. In a groundbreaking study published in Science, researchers found that this neurochemical exchange between humans and dogs is remarkably similar to the bond between parents and children. When your dog chooses to be near you, their brain is literally being flooded with feel-good chemicals that reinforce their attachment. And here's the most incredible part. This neurochemical bonding is a two-way street. Your dog isn't just getting a chemical reward for choosing you, you're getting one for being chosen. Each positive interaction strengthens neural pathways in both your brains, creating a deeper and deeper bond over time. This explains why the relationship with your dog can feel so profound, so healing, and so essential to your well-being. It's not just emotional, it's biological. So the next time your dog chooses to curl up next to you instead of anyone else or greets you at the door like you've been gone for years, remember, this isn't just cute behavior. It's the result of thousands of years of evolution, complex neurochemistry, and a unique bond that science is only beginning to fully understand. Your dog chooses you because, on a fundamental biological level, you are their world. The connection you share isn't just in your imagination, it's written in both your DNA and your brain chemistry. If you found this fascinating, hit that subscribe button because next week we'll be exploring how dogs can actually detect human diseases before medical tests can. Another incredible example of just how deep the connection between our species really goes. Until then, give your furry best friend an extra pat from me. And remember, when they look at you with those adoring eyes, there's real science behind that love. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the science behind your dog's devotion, please hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating pet science, and share this video with the dog lovers in your life. Drop a comment below telling me about the special way your dog chose you. I read every comment and would love to hear your stories.